Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to send money from Wise to bank account in Philippines. What you need to do is at first head over to your Wise account and you want to click on add a recipient, and then the currency would be PHP, Philippine peso, and then you want to click on enter bank details, but you can also ask them for their direct email, phone number or Wise tag. But if you don't have that, then you can click on enter bank details, and if it's you, then click on myself. If it's someone else, click on someone else, and then you want to put in their emails. And if you know their bank details, then click on this. If you don't, then you don't, and then ask them what is the full name and their preferred language. But if they give you their account details, you can choose it from here. And if they have a e-wallet, let's say paymaya, gcash, any of these, you can choose it from here and then click on confirm, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.